Hey guys, I just got back from Tennessee where we visited with Arnie Gonzalez over at Tricky Air, and we got him to put one of his air ride shocks in the 2019 Streetbob I have. So this will be like the prototype, but coming soon from Tricky Air, he's going to have air ride for all the new Softail platform that will be able to drop these bikes 4 inches over stock. So we'll give you an example of that, and check it out. Hit them up, let them know you're interested and you're ready to get one. Stock height. Nice and low. You've seen it here first, man. Stock height. Four-inch drop.